I had, in my early to mid-20s, a root canal on my lower right molar, and it failed. I had to have it retreated, and I had a crown and then another crown, and it's a long story. And for the last probably 5 years, I've walked around with this tooth with a vertical fracture, terrified of what was going to happen because I knew I was going to lose this tooth and I didn't want to, and I was scared.
Lori had a failing tooth that needed to be treated, so we came up with a treatment plan for her for tooth removal, for bone grafting and building up the foundation of her lower right jaw, and then being able to replace that missing tooth with a dental implant and eventual crown on the implant.
So I made my consultation and I went to see Dr. Alfano, and he assured me that everything was going to be fine, and he was so right.
For her case, her anatomy, she had a narrow mandible and some close structures in that area that we wanted to avoid, so we used a 3D CT scan to evaluate her jawbone, and we used that also to make a surgical guide so we could place that post without any risk of damaging the anatomy and important nerves that run inside her lower jaw.
Quite honestly, I went to work the next day. 3 days after my treatment, I went to a seminar and was around multiple staff members, and no one ever knew because I didn't really swell at all or have hardly any discomfort. It was remarkable.
Lori recovered surprisingly well for the procedure that we did for her. She had minimal complaints, and throughout the post-op procedures and the follow-ups, she was reporting a very easy healing period for her.
I'm just so eternally grateful that the process was so easy, and it was worth every penny. I would do it again. I would do it sooner. I wouldn't walk around with this aggravated, unhappy tooth as long as I did. And it was really, on a scale of 1 to 10, Dr. Alfano, his staff, as far as being professional and just human. On a scale of 1 to 10, they were an 11. Honestly, it was, again, an extraordinary experience. I can't even begin to say what a pleasant outcome this has all been for me.
If you think these patients' testimonials are helpful for you and you would like to be seen at the Dental Specialty Center, please give us a call. Our phone number is 717-551-1511. Thanks.